The next section in chapter 4 is 4.2, the periodic table. So the overall goal of this is to be able to use the periodic table to identify certain things about an element. The group, the period, and whether it's a metal, a non-metal, or a metalloid. So our horizontal rows in the periodic table are our periods. So these numbers 1 through 7 are the periods. And as we go across this way, each vertical column are groups. Okay, they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The representative elements have group numbers 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, and 8A. All of the elements within a particular group have similar properties. Okay, so you can see we have alkali metals in group 1A. These are soft, shiny metals, and they're good conductors of heat and electricity. These are very reactive. Okay, alkaline earth metals are similar to group 1A. So the alkaline earth metals are in group 2A right there. They're similar, but they're not as reactive. Okay. The halogens are here in group 7A. These are highly reactive and form compounds with most elements. The noble gases are in group 8A. These are unreactive and rarely combine with other elements. Okay, so in the periodic table we see that there are 3 different colors. So the light blue represents all of the metals, the green represents all of the metalloids, and the yellow represents the nonmetals. And the metalloids are here along this dark line that runs right between the metals and nonmetals. So let's look at the properties of those 3 different types of elements. So metals are shiny solids typically. The only exception is mercury. Okay, mercury is liquid at room temperature. They're good conductors of heat and electricity, and they melt at higher temperatures than nonmetals. Okay, nonmetals are not shiny or malleable. which basically just means able to be shaped. They're poor conductors of heat and electricity. They have low melting points. And low densities. Metalloids are better conductors compared to nonmetals, but they're still not as good as metals. These are typically called semiconductors, which basically means they can function as an insulator or a conductor.